Digging deeper into the past. How much did you like? Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're focusing on a particularly interesting part of conversational English, expressing likes and dislikes, but with a twist. We're going back in time. Specifically, we're going to explore how to ask about likes and dislikes in the past tense. Today's focus will be on the phrases, how much did you like, and how much did he, she like. So, buckle up and let's get started. Let's begin with the first phrase, how much did you like? As you may already know, we use this phrase when we want to ask someone about their level of fondness or enjoyment of something in the past. It's a way of asking about the degree of liking. But, how do we use it? Well, it's rather simple. Let's look at a few examples. 1. How much did you like the movie we saw last night? 2. How much did you like the cake you had at the party? It's important to remember, though, the response to this question typically involves using a degree of liking, such as, I liked it a lot, or, I didn't like it much. Next up, let's discuss, how much did he, she like? This phrase is used in a similar context as the previous one, but instead of asking someone directly, we're asking about a third person's preferences. Let's illustrate this with a couple of examples. 1. How much did he like the football match yesterday? 2. How much did she like the book she read last month? Again, remember that the answer to these questions should ideally reflect a degree of liking. For example, he liked it very much, or, she didn't like it at all. Now that we understand how to use these phrases, let's put them into practice. Here are a few more examples. Try to create your own sentences using how much did you like? And how much did he, she like? 1. How much did you like your holiday in Spain last summer? 2. How much did he like the concert he went to last weekend? Remember, the best way to master these phrases is by using them in your daily conversations as much as possible. That's all for today, folks. We hope this video has helped you to understand how to ask about likes and dislikes in the past tense, particularly using how much did you like? And how much did he, she like? As always, keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll soon be using these phrases like a pro. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!